So hey guys, welcome back. Wow guys, look at it, we got so cool. I mean, it's what we got inside guys. Wow, masks and some action triggers guys. So let's see what we got guys. Let's begin with this figure guys. Guys, look at this looking so awesome guys. Wow, look at this. So beautiful figures inside guys. Let's open it up guys. Let's see what we got guys. Guys, look at it. It's so cool guys. Look at him this suit. He speed up. Let's keep it aside and let's see what more we got guys today guys. Let's see what is inside this guys. This big box guys. Wow, looking so cool guys. Look at this Captain America looking so cool. Wow. Let's open it guys. Let's check what is inside guys. Guys, look at this what you got guys. Captain America is looking super cool guys. Look at this. Wow, let's attach it guys. Wow, really cool superhero. Keep it on the side. Superhero, let's see what we got guys. Superhero, let's see what we got guys. Let's see what is this one here guys. Look at this. Guys, look at this what we got guys. Look at this awesome black and grey suit guys. This is the Batman. Wow, Batman is looking super awesome. Look at his awesome mask guys. Wow, look at his awesome Batman guys. Wow, look at this amazing Batman. Keep it on the side. Next over here, let's see what we got guys. Let's see what is this one guys. Look at this awesome Miles Morales guys. Red and black colored superhero inside guys. Wow. Let's open and check what is inside. Guys, look at this what we got inside guys. Look at this cool black and red suit. This is the Spiderman Miles Morales. Wow, Miles Morales is looking super awesome. This is the friend of Peter Parker from Spider-Man Miles Morales guys. So cool. Keep it on the side. See what you got guys. Wow, look at this. Wow, looking cool guys. Keep it on the side. Wow, look at this awesome shiny red and blue suit guys. This is red Spider-Man superhero guys. Looking cool. Keep it on the side. Next superhero, let's see what you got guys. Wow, look at this. Let's open and check what is inside guys. Look at this awesome green and black color guys. This is green colored superhero. The Hulk. Open and check what mask we got guys. Look at this awesome red golden color mask. This is Iron Man mask. Wow, Iron Man mask, so cool guys. Iron Man mask. Keep it on the side. Next superhero mask guys. Guys, look at this awesome red and black color guys. This is Spider-Man mask. Wow, looking cool guys. Red, shiny red and black in color Spider-Man mask guys. Wow, keep it on the side. Let's put it aside. Wow, look at this superheroes guys. Let's see what is this one now guys. Wow, look at this. Guys, look at this what you want guys. Look at this awesome red and golden suit guys. This is the Iron Man. Wow, Iron Man is so cool. Red golden color. This is the Iron Man guys. Guys, Spider-Man figure, guys. Wow, blue Spider-Man, really cool. And this one, let's see. Wow, guys, look at this. This is the red Spider-Man. Wow, red and green color. This is the red Spider-Man. Alright guys, like, share and subscribe guys. Like, share, subscribe guys. Thank you guys, bye guys, once again guys, bye bye.